Hey everyone, Ritika here from the OnPage marketing team. As we close out this year, I wanted to take a moment to highlight the key innovations we've delivered across the OnPage platform in 2025. This year was foundational for us, focused on reliability, usability, and deeper integrations across the operational stack. And across every release, our goal remained the same: to help teams respond faster to critical events, collaborate more effectively, and stay focused on what really matters. We began the year by modernizing the OnPage mobile app. Users now have visibility into individual as well as their team's on-call schedules right from their phone devices, along with the refreshed interface that improves contrast and readability across light and dark modes. We also introduced device-independent message history, enabling users to move between phones without losing conversation or critical context. This year, we expanded our collaboration footprint with deep integrations into Microsoft Teams. Users can initiate, acknowledge, and respond to critical alerts directly from within Teams with bidirectional synchronization. Combined with Slack integration, OnPage is now one of the very few platforms in our category to offer bidirectional alerting capabilities across two market-leading collaboration environments. To support better documentation and post-incident workflows, we launched the capability to annotate message notes to OnPage alerts. Users can include follow-up items, reminders, and additional context to their OnPage alerts for post-incident analysis, all without cluttering their OnPage alert thread. We introduced notification templates for enterprise teams. Admins can now distribute standardized notification templates across all OnPage users for more consistent and accurate communications during time-sensitive events. For users who support multiple organizations, OnPage now enables seamless switching between up to 3 independent accounts on a single device, all while maintaining its own configurations and compliance. We also introduced a new alerting mode designed for more controlled environments: gentle high priority alerts. This mode begins with a softer tone and escalates only as needed, supporting overnight teams and on-call settings where acoustic impact matters. Group alerts now automatically mute for all members once a single responder replies, helping reduce unnecessary reminders and keeping the team focused. To better support our global user base, the OnPage mobile app is now localized in Spanish, Hebrew, Portuguese, and French. We also launched upgraded integrations with both Freshservice and Halo PSA, enabling teams to convert tickets into actionable alerts with accurate routing and synchronized status updates. These improvements help reduce mean time to respond across IT operations and MSP environments. Our new public API opens the door for deeper automation and custom integration, giving organizations the flexibility in how they want to connect OnPage with their internal systems and workflows. Administrators can now define data retention windows of up to 6 months, with proactive reminders before messages are scheduled for deletion from OnPage, supporting compliance and long-term archival needs. And for teams who are live monitoring dashboards or collaboration channels, we introduced alert suppression. This prevents unnecessary audible alerts during defined monitoring windows while still capturing each event in audit logs or reports as a single source of truth. These releases reflect our ongoing commitment to building a platform that's reliable, intuitive, and ready for the evolving needs of on-call teams across all industries. Thank you for being a part of our journey, and we're very excited to show you what's next.